So hello everyone, my name is Ravindra. In this video, we are creating a ruling calendar column, okay, in our database. I already given here calendar lookup column, but in our real life project scenarios we have to create a ruling calendar here, okay. This type of calendar like any client not gives to us, okay. So for that purpose we have to create a dynamic calendar, okay, that is called as ruling calendar, okay. So how to create that rolling calendar? So first we need to create a blank query, and we give name to that rolling calendar, okay. So how to create a blank query? This is also one question, okay. So just came to the home tab, okay. In the home tab you can be able to see blank query, so simply just click on the blank query, okay. Then new column is created, or new table or new query is created, okay. So let's we go here and change the name of this to the calendar. So let's we change the name of our table here and given to the rolling calendar, okay. So first step what you have to do, this rolling calendar we are creating by using the yum codes, okay. So this section we are also recovering in our upcoming sessions also, but now topic is came for the calendar lookup, okay. So that's why I just showcasing you how to do this, okay. So let's simply click for writing the yum codes, okay. If you see in our another tables as well, we use equal to sign. So after just using equal to sign, just use to the pace and the pound, then type date, just provide the date here, okay. Like in our case our date is starting from 2020, from 1st of January. So I just use here, okay. So this date we are using from our starting date, okay. Everywhere you have to use this as a starting date. So just simply click on the enter. After clicking on enter, you can able to see our first date is showing here, okay. This is our source, first date. After that you have to click on this add step button, means this formula bar, okay, fx formula. Just simply click here, okay. Then the source will display here name of our source. So just simply copy this source, okay, or you can type also, okay. In my case I just cut it, okay. Then we use the list. We are creating lists, that's why I use here list of dates. So let's we use list dates. This is a function that use to create yum code of the list, okay. Means 1 2 3 4, a list of dates we are created by using this function. After that we simply use our source, then give comma number from, okay. So we want from today's date, so that's why we use number from date and time locale, and just simply close this. By using this function we simply get today's date, okay. Then just give the minus sign, we are subtracting the number from our source, okay. Number, okay. After in that just pass the source, okay. Passing the source, just simply do one comma and pass the duration here. So duration means in which format we want that. So let's the small case duration, okay. And let's pass 1 0 0 0, and simply just click on the enter. Our list is creating, is taking some time. So you can be see our list is created from 1st of January 2022 the 2024, okay. You can be see here. Let's go to the transform after that and just convert it to table. Use this option and convert it to the table. So simply just click on the OK. Don't add any additional tabs also. And then we just simply change our column name here, okay, to the link. Okay, source name also to. So that's all, friends. Okay, in our next video we are performing some of the operations of date on our rolling calendar. Okay, that's all, friends. Have a nice day to you. Keep learning.